Welcome back to Close Up. This past week, we spoke with CDC Director Dr. Rochelle Walensky, asking her specifically about when the nation might be able to move on from the COVID-19 pandemic.
First of all, I sympathize and I empathize. I think we all want to be done. This has been going on for a really long time. And I know that there's a motivation to say, when can we call this behind us? In my mind, the barometer here is looking at our hospitals. Our hospitals have to work. They have to be able to admit and care for patients with routine medical problems, with accidents, without delay. And so in my mind, I look to the hospitals all the time to say, how are they doing? Are they backed up? Do they have the healthcare workforce that they need in order to take care of everything that comes into them every single day? And when they have a break, when they are in reprieve, then I think we will be able to say we are at least getting to a phase where we can talk about having this behind us. As
for that key metric of hospitalizations here in New Hampshire, those are still hovering around 400. The vaccine mandate debate continues at the State House in Concord. Last week, the Speaker of the New Hampshire House testified in favor of his legislation attempting to block federal vaccine mandates. Representative Sherman Packard wants to stop state agencies from cooperating with the enforcement of any such mandate. He says he is willing to amend the bill to adapt to that and other court rulings.
I am not against the vaccine in any way, shape, or form. What I am against, and I will fight every single day that I am here, is the mandate from Washington, D.C. And that's what this bill does.
The legislation is opposed by county nursing home administrators and others who fear that if passed, they could face legal liability being stuck between the proposed state law and federal regulations tied to funding. Well, that wraps up this edition of Close Up New Hampshire. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out the politics page on our website and mobile app for more in-depth analysis, including political reporter John DeStaso's New Hampshire Primary Source column, and to sign up for our weekly newsletter. We'll be back next week. Have a great Sunday.